welcome to our Learn Traverse channel. Today, we're going to learn about vowels and consonants. Let's get started! Section 1. What are vowels? First, let's talk about vowels. Vowels are the letters that help us make sounds in words. In English, there are 5 main vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes the letter Y can also act as a vowel, especially in words like my or gym. Vowels can have different sounds. For example, the letter A can sound like A in cat or A in cake. The letter E can sound like E in red or E in sea. Practice saying these vowel sounds out loud. Section 2. What are consonants? Now, let's move on to consonants. Consonants are the other letters in the alphabet. They work together with vowels to form words. Here are the consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Z. Each consonant has its own sound. For example, the letter B sounds like B in bat. The letter S sounds like S in snake. Try saying these consonant sounds too. Section 3. Putting it together. Now that we know our vowels and consonants, let's see how they work together. Here are some examples. The word cat has the consonants C and T and the vowel A. The word dog has the consonants D and G and the vowel O. When we put them together, we create words. Great job today! Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y and consonants are all the other letters. Practice saying them and using them in words. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in next lesson.